Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Bright Minds Playground, and today we're going on a fantastic math adventure. Are you ready to explore some fun math concepts with me? Let's go. Today, we're going to learn about some basic math concepts that are super fun and super important. First up, let's talk about shapes. Do you know some shapes already? Let's see. Here we have a circle, a square, and a triangle. Can you find anything in your room that looks like these shapes? That's right. Maybe a clock looks like a circle or your window looks like a square. Next, let's count together. I have some colourful balls here. Counting is not just fun, but it helps us in so many ways in our daily life. Alright, time for something a bit more challenging. Let's learn about addition and subtraction. When we add, we put things together. When we subtract, we take things away. You did an amazing job today. We learned about shapes, counting, addition, and subtraction. Math is all around us, and it's super fun. Remember to practice what we learned today, and always keep exploring. Thanks for joining me on this math adventure at Bright Minds Playground. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.